Hey everyone, welcome to this A1 English listening practice video. You can use this video to practice your listening and comprehension as I speak. Before we start, remember to subscribe to the channel. Today, I'm going to talk about free time. This is a good topic because everyone enjoys having free time. I love having free time, and you probably do too. First, let's talk about how much free time people have. Most children have more free time than adults. When you're a kid, you don't have many responsibilities. Adults have to work, pay the bills, and take care of their families. Kids usually just go to school and do homework. So, children have more time to play. When I was a kid, I had a lot of free time. I got home from school around 2 or 3 p.m. On weekdays, I had 4 or 5 hours of free time every day. On weekends, I had even more. Saturday and Sunday were the best because I had all day to rest and play. I really liked weekends, and I still do. Now that I'm an adult, I don't have much free time. I have to work every day. I usually start early, around 7 a.m. So I have to wake up at 6 a.m. When I was a kid, I slept for 8 hours. As an adult, I usually sleep for 7 hours. How about you? How many hours of sleep do you get? After I finish work, I have some free time in the evening. I usually study foreign languages or make videos for YouTube. At night, I like to relax with my family. We spend the evenings together and enjoy this time. Now, let's talk about popular activities. Many people like to play sports or exercise. When I was a kid, I played basketball and soccer. As an adult, I don't play sports, but I exercise almost every day for a short time. Another common activity is surfing the internet. I spend a lot of time online. Sometimes I spend too much time on the computer. It's important to go outside and be active too. But the internet is very entertaining. So, it's easy to stay online for hours. What is your favorite activity to do in the evening? Write your answers in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.